life and death is nothing that we should be scared of. It's part of what is normal. And predators have to eat, I am sure. But what is not normal and has to stop is killing for other reasons than eating. Because I'm sure this little doe had to go because it wasn't strong, it wasn't healthy, it just was what it was. But the little kids, they don't need to be killed and slaughtered. No son, no daughter needs to be slaughtered. And if this doe was slaughtered by a hunter or a killer, then it wouldn't be left here. That is very, very clear.